Hello guys. Well, you are looking for Windows Movie Maker and don't know where to get it? I know, that's not easy. Microsoft had the bad idea to retire it not only from Windows, but also from his official download and support center. Fortunately, you have reached the right address. You can download it right now by using the link below in the description. It's the original Microsoft Essentials installation file and runs perfectly on Windows 10. But before you take it and run away, you may consider joining my email list. So I can send you free software, WordPress premium plugins and high-quality PLR programs on a regular basis directly in your inbox. You certainly won't regret it. And, last thing before you leave me, don't forget to give me a like, a nice comment and to share the video with a friend, and, why not subscribe to my channel? I would be glad to welcome you inside. Have fun and, see you later.